Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to sign out of your eBay account. To log out or sign out of your eBay account, you follow these steps. So to do it, first thing first, make sure that your device is completely up to date. I'm using a web version. You could also use an application. Either way, the procedures will remain the same. So when you're using a web version, you want to type in ebay.com and log into your account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page or the dashboard section. Here you could find this human looking icon or the profile icon in the top right hand side corner of your page. Here you can find the try bar icon, and as soon as you click on the try bar icon, click the sign out button, and this way it's very simple to sign out of your account. However, this procedure will not be the same when you're using your mobile device or when you're actually using an application. So when you use an application, you have to go to some other extent, and you'll be able to find the sign out option. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.